Hi everyone. In this video, I want to take a look at how we can use a Python script for our Fusion 360 design. Even better, I want to see if ChatGPT can generate that script for me. So under a new design here, we're going to go and under utilities, click this add-ins and select script and add-ins. This should open a window where we can add our script. So we click here on this new window, we click this plus sign and then create a script. Here we can choose between a script or an add-in. We can give it a name. Let me just call it um, YouTube demo. Let's see if that works. And then you can give it a description, author. You can choose the programming language. I'm going to leave it as Python. You can choose the target operating system. It looks like you have a selection between Windows and Mac or both. I'm going to choose Windows because that's what I'm using. You can keep it as both. I think that's probably better. But let me choose Windows for the purpose of this video. Click Create. And that's going to add our YouTube demo script, as you can see here. But the script is empty because we haven't added the code in there yet. Let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate the code for us. So here's ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it to give me a Python code. So give me Python code for Fusion 360 cube design. Let's just keep it simple and design a simple cube. Obviously, you can ask it to design something more complicated, but for the purpose of the video, I want to keep it simple just to show you how things works. Also, so it doesn't take forever to generate the code and to run the code on Fusion 360. Now we have our code from ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and copy it and go back to Fusion 360 and edit that script with our code editor. So I'm going to select the script and click edit. This should open the script with our favorite or default code editor. Right here, I have a Visual Studio Code, but you can use any code editor you like. So this is our YouTube demo.py. That's our Python script. I'm going to select all and then paste over the code that we got from ChatGPT. Then we just need to save it. So Control S, and that will save our script. Now we've done saving over the code that we just got from the ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and go back to Fusion 360. And then remember, we have to go under Utilities. We are going under Add-ins, Script and Add-ins. Then we need to run our script. So from here, when we have our script, which is right here, the YouTube demo, you see this play button, that's going to run that script. First, we edit the script and we added our code that we got from ChatGPT. Now we're going to click the play button to run the script. And here we have a cube created successfully. I'm going to click OK. Let me zoom out a bit. And here you can see our cube. Obviously, you can ask ChatGPT to generate something else. I'm going to leave that for you to play with it and try different code and see which one works. I'm not sure how complicated it can get, but this is very nice and quick. I just wanted to show this and see how it works. If we go back to the code, let's look at our YouTube demo script, which is not bad here. And you can see this was the message that we got. So I'm not going to go over the code here because we just got it from ChatGPT, but it looks like here is the dimensions and things like that, where we start the sketch and all that. This is the size. So looks pretty good. I recommend that you play with this and see how it works out for yourself. And you can try it. It's free and it's fun. So this is it for this video. I'm going to leave it here. If you like what you see, please consider like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.